Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jindy Marie and today I'm going to be showing you a little houseplant haul that I did at Walmart. I can't believe they have so many houseplant selections there. I mean, I've gone to their greenhouse area for gardening needs before, but I guess I just bypassed the houseplants area. I don't know. So I usually get my houseplants from Home Depot, Lowe's, IKEA, and nurseries. But I'm so happy I got a few from Walmart to add to my collection because they are so dang inexpensive. The big ones I hauled were like $5 and the small ones were practically free. I don't know, they were so cheap. The ones I generally get from other stores average $10 for a decent size houseplant. Except for IKEA though, they're pretty inexpensive too. But I generally buy baby ones because I like to see them grow and then I'll propagate them and start all over again or give them as gifts. But without further ado, let's start with this plant haul from Walmart. So the first one here is called the Spathiphyllum, or commonly known as the peace lily. She's so beautiful when she blooms. When I got her, she had this one single yellow leaf. I don't know what that's about, but everywhere else, she seems pretty healthy. This one here is Phytonia albivinus. I don't know. I'm sorry if I mispronounced the name. She's commonly known as the nerve plant. I bought her because she has pink veins. The Phytonias I already own have red veins and the other one has white, so I was pretty excited to have found this one. And this one is a Peperomia. She was actually mislabeled at Walmart. This specific one is known as the Golden Gate Peperomia. There's quite a variety of Peperomias, and I absolutely love this one because of the smooth and glossy leaves with the tulle tone greens. This one is a Philodendron scandin, and this variety is the green heart leaf, also known as the sweetheart plant. Just look at how beautiful it is. I don't know about this scraggly little piece though. The heart shape of the plant leaf is very pronounced. This ivy is the Gojira Helix, and this one is known as the California fan ivy. I absolutely love ivies. I have two more at home and I have them hanging up so that way as they grow they kind of just drape down, and I just love that look. This beauty here is the Dracaena Godsiffiana. I don't know, did I pronounce that right? Godsiffiana. This variety is known as the Florida Beauty. It's got large oval leaves that have white and neon green looking splotches. The top lighter colors, I'm assuming, is new growth. I don't know though, so if you do, just comment down below and correct me. This ivy here is called the Gojira Helix or Jubilee ivy. I absolutely love this one. The ivy leaf is small and cute and dainty. It's green, variegated in creamy white. And just look at the edges of the ivy. It's just so pretty to look at. And it kind of has a texture of like a tissue paper that you put in gift bags. And last but not least is one of my new all-time favorites. It's another one from the Dracaena family. It's called the Dracaena deramensis, also known as the Lemon Surprise. I love this one because it's got a spiral twist to it, and as it grows vertically, it appears like fireworks or a little girl's ponytail. I also got a few more plant related items from Walmart and I was so excited that they were very inexpensive. These plant stands were $3 to $4 and the plant corral, the one with wheels, was also $3 to $4. I know these can get costly, but it's no mid-century plant stand, but they hold the ones that I have, so they'll do. I got saucers as well. Someone had told me you can get them at the dollar store, but the ones from Walmart were a little thicker. And these saucers were about 30 cents each. And lastly, I bought small pots. And what I like about these is that the bottom piece is actually a saucer or dripping tray. Pretty dope idea for good drainage. I did find that I like them off though, because I really like using the trays if I have to water the plants bottom up. So that's it, guys. Overall, it was a huge success shopping at Walmart. I hope you enjoyed my video and got a thing or two out of it. So follow me on Instagram, which I will link below, for updates on my plant babies. As always, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you all have a healthy and blessed week. Much love until next time.